Board exam problem, May 2010. So, under siya sa subject na Math Science and Transportation Engineering or MSTE. Basahin lang natin yung sample problem natin. Spherical sector is cut from a sphere whose radius is 12 cm and find the volume of its, if its central angle is 30 degrees. So, ito yung sphere, ito yung figure natin. Kinuha lang natin yung figure na to sa Wikipedia. So, ito yung sphere, tapos ito yung spherical sector, yung blue na colored na space. So, ito yung radius, R, and then central angle, lagyan na lang natin ng central angle dito, no? So, lagyan natin yung yellow siguro, no? So, this is your central angle. That's 30 degrees. Ibig sabihin yan, 1/2 niyan. That's 15 degrees. Okay? So, ayun, ito yung radius. Tapos, meron tayong H. Ang significance ng H tsaka R na mga values ay magagamit natin dun sa pagkuha ng volume ng spherical sector. No? So, yung equation ng volume ng isang spherical sector is V, that's equivalent to 2/3 pi R squared times H. So, given na yung R, which is 12 cm, si H na lang yung kukunin natin. So, based dito sa figure natin, itong height na to, R cosine of 15 degrees. Kasi meron tayong triangle dito na. So, ito yung triangle. Tapos, adjacent yung angle na 15 degrees. At saka yung line na kukunin natin, which is yung height na yan. So, this is equivalent to R cosine of 12 degrees. Okay? So, therefore, makukuha natin yung value ng H. Ito yung value ng H. H is just the difference, no? Ng radius minus yung line na to, yung kinuha natin kanina, which is R cosine of 15 degrees. Hindi pala 12, no? So, mali yung pagkasulat natin. Dapat yan ay R cosine of 15 degrees. Yan yung half ng 30 degrees. So, therefore, meron na tayong value ng H, which is just equivalent to 12 minus 12 cosine of 15 degrees. The value of H is just equivalent to 12 minus 12 cosine of 15. That's 0.41. So, 0.41 cm. And then, lalagay na natin siya dito sa equation natin for volume. We have 2/3 pi of 12 squared times 0.41 cm. So, cm naman to lahat, no? Cm yung R, cm din yung H. So, pwede natin hindi mo nalagyan ng unit dito. Tapos, dito na sa final answer natin lalagyan ng unit. So, evaluate natin. That's 2 times pi times 12 squared times 0.41 divided by 3. That's 123.65 cm squared. 123.65 cm squared. So, ito na ngayon yung final na answer natin for the volume. Yun lang, madali lang, no? One-liner lang din yung solution natin para sa problem na to. Ay, hindi, two-liner pala, no? Kasi kukunin mo natin yung H, tapos yung volume. Anyway, volume lang yung kakabasyaduhin na equation, tapos ito naman ay triangle lang naman na property yung ginamit natin para makuha yung isang height dito and ma-evaluate yung value ng H. Okay? So, I think yun na yun, no, para sa sample problem na to. And again, no, thank you always for watching and see you sa mga next sample problems natin. Thank you.